I'm happy for you. You win. Okay, you know water. You know water, yeah. Water. Drink water. This water.
Yeah, I know water.
You know, in UK, we live under the water. My house under the water. My house.
Yeah. You're very nice boy, mashallah.
Oh, thank you. You not married me? You married me?
No matter, I put you. I like black boy.
Okay, you married me? You?
Yeah, no matter. Me, I like black boy. I support black boy every time. I have one photo. I am only jirachu.
You wanna marry my husband?
You wanna marry me?
Habibti, don't worry. Me is beautiful. You is beautiful. I am jiddu sana waltana jirachu. Okay, don't worry, Habib.
I am jiddu sana waltana jirachu.
That's fine. Let's arrange something.
Yeah, no matter.
How much you pay my mahar? How much?
Why? How much?
Money. Mahar, money.
Are you Muslim?
Me, I like love.
You like long?
I like love. No money.
No.
No beautiful face. No beautiful jacket. No beautiful surre. Me, I like love.
Yes.
Okay.
But Mahar, how much you want?
Thank you for the gift.
$10,000.
Huh?
10,000.
Yeah.
10.
Yeah, I am I am in TikTok. I big girl or everyone. I respect me because I am only jirachu. I am $10,000 mahar.
Okay. So how much you pay me? Because you wanna marry me.
No matter. I am one photo. Serious.
Okay. So would you come to England?
La, we don't like England. You come in Canada. I am Canada city all go to, but I am for the day UK I am coming to UK. Before I am coming to Canada.
Okay. But problem. Look, problem UK. Water. We live underwater.
We live
underwater. Problem.
Habibi, Canada water is very, 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 very good water. A body, a love, very good water.
Okay.
Thank you.
She don't understand. Look, I'm explaining to you. You know.
We are house.
Yeah.
House. Underwater.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we speak water language. You know.
Okay. I am so sorry. You situ bajiraju you surre?
Huh?
You situ bajiraju surre?
No.
Okay.
We
okay,
speak
no matter.
water
I am
language.
coming in UK.
Okay. You come to marry me, yeah?
Yeah, no matter.
Okay. But you with
Me, every time I support her, but I support love.
Oh, pick up for that. She support love. It does support something else. Follow me, okay?
Yeah, follow
me.
Okay, I follow you. You follow me. I am
Okay,
only
We'll follow you back.
We will go live every time.
Yeah, we'll go live every time.
Okay.
I follow you.
We'll follow you.
Okay.
But you will be able to live under the water and speak water language.
Okay. Ati bishaan jala jirta anammoo harka hamzaa jala jira rabbiin bichaan na haa baasu yoo achi dhufe I am wal fuudhu wallahi I marriage you. I am like black boy. I support black boy. I respect black boy. Every time I am love.
Yes. Why are
someone say something funny. That's all.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Why you
Again, game again, yeah.
كبيرة كيف سكني والله جرى لك أفسيسة دي فرقت أوكي.
والله هي مضحكة مرة، هي مضحكة شديد والله.
دي ما بري سواتك أنا بري ساكر وثانا ياتي. What you they talk?
ها؟ أنا؟
Yes.
Me.
Huh?
Me or her?
لا this one ما شاء الله this beautiful girl.
Beautiful girl.
Please support, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for
Thank
You
you.
have the diamond. You have children?
No.
No. You have children?
You have children?
Me لا single أبي single الحمد لله single.
Oh, okay.
You Muslim?
الحمد لله.
ما شاء
Oh,
الله.
mashallah.
Me, you, second wife, okay?
What?
Me, you, married.
No matter. I am
you
here كده نصيني والفوضى. Me no matter عادي.
Okay, Adi. So, you speak Arabic a little bit.
Arabic no have too much but small.
Okay.
Oh, me too.
Okay.
I will teach you water language, yeah? Because in UK we speak water language.
Okay.
Okay?
It goes
You have sitting.
Gulu. Look, me and I speak now water language. Yeah, gulu. You understand? No.
You have you like kissing?
Kissing.
You like kissing?
Kiss. Kiss.
kiss.
Yeah. You like?
My wife or who?
Me. I put you like kissing the president Zimbabwe.
Me, you kissing.
You and my husband kissing. Kiss.
You please you very like kissing. Like kissing?
She's saying, do I like kissing?
Yeah, do you like kissing?
Yeah, she asked you.
Me?
Yeah.
Do I like kissing?
No, me. She asked you, do I like kissing?
Oh, yes.
Tell her.
Yes. My forehead.
Yeah, here.
No, this one. No. This.
This one.
I am Bira Kesa Walganchu.
You like kissing, you?
Yeah, we like this kissing no good. This kissing no love. Everyone this kissing no love. I am Hindi Walganchu. I am Bira Kesa Walganchu. This one kissing is very nice.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I need to record that. Record it. Go to your phone, record it. Go to my phone.
Yeah, but Anis, my husband likes kissing here.
No, this. Please listen to me, my sister. I like you, okay?
Guys,
This one kissing. This one
record
kissing.
it. Please, guys,
This
record
one
it. I need this one.
kissing no good. It's smart
Yes.
kissing is very hard kissing. This one kissing, okay?
Oh.
This one kissing private.
Me no understand kissing. What kissing?
Kissing here private only.
Yeah, this one private. I
This
have
after
this one. I have private. You.
After nikah.
Guys, record it. I love this one.
After nikah.
After married.
After nikah.
What?
After married. After me, you married, kissing in room alone.
Okay. Please, one kiss me. I am wallalu asqarratti.
You want my husband to kiss you
You want
right
me to
now?
kiss you?
You
you
kiss
kiss.
me. I am wal fattashu.
Me kiss you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
If you come to England,
If you come to England,
he will kiss you.
yeah, married kiss you.
Okay, you're very good boy. Serious.
Thank you.
I am kube wali godachu after kissing you godachu no matter.
Okay. Why you have wedding ring?
Why you have ring on?
Why you have ring?
No, this is simply.
Okay. You married?
No marriage. This is simply.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Go again, yeah?
Okay, mira que estaba ahí, ya tírate.
You funny, you very funny.
Yuri husband name why?
Your husband name what?
My
She said your
husband name.
why?
My husband name Flower.
Flower?
Yes.
Oh, mashallah.
You like my name?
Yeah, flower. I like flower.
Okay.
Flower is very
My
strong.
name is Flowers. You like flower? Name?
Yeah, I like flower.
What's your name?
My name is Hamza.
Your name is Hamza.
Yeah.
Oh, mashallah, nice.
My name
Yeah.
is Safa. ما قاعد يرتين ما يا فاتح.
You know what's my dad name?
Why?
Do you know my dad name?
Your Wi-Fi name is what? Your Wi-Fi name?
My Wi-Fi name?
Yeah.
My name
What?
Okay.
Gray.
Korea?
Yeah.
Korea.
Why you Korea? What is Korea?
Korea Rose.
It's the first one. Is Korea? I don't know.
Yeah, Korea. It's a
She have weird name because she live under the water. That's why.
Yeah.
You know, people live under the water.
Okay.
Under the water. Live underwater. We live.
Okay.
That's why we have a great name. We have to name great to live to survive. You understand?
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.